In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product code on Shein, search for an item using that code, and check for available promo codes. If you've ever wanted to quickly locate a specific item again without scrolling through pages of results, this method is a simple and reliable way to do it. It's especially helpful if you already have the product page open and want to save time later when searching for the exact same item. Start by opening any item listing on Shein. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you reach the description section. This is where you'll usually find useful product details, including the SKU or product code. In most cases, this code appears as a string of numbers. Take a moment to find it carefully, then copy the code exactly as it appears. Since this code is tied to that specific item, copying it accurately is important if you want the search to work properly. After you've copied the SKU code, go to the search bar at the top of the Shein app or website, paste the code directly into the search field, then tap or click Search. Shein can often use this code to pull up the exact item, which makes this much faster than searching by product name, color, or category. If you're trying to relocate something you viewed earlier, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Once you've found the item you want, the next step is to look for possible savings. Head to the coupon section under your Me profile. This area typically shows any available coupons connected to your account, along with details like the discount amount or any minimum purchase requirement. It's a good place to check before completing an order so you don't miss a valid deal. You can also look at the main homepage for banners that promote active discount codes. These banners often highlight current offers, limited time promotions, or site-wide discounts. If a code is being featured publicly, you may be able to apply it during checkout depending on the terms. That's the full process. Find the SKU in the description section, search for the item by pasting that code into the search bar, and then check both your coupon section and the homepage banners for discount opportunities. It's a quick workflow that can help you find items faster and save money at the same time.